Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix suspended Instagram account recover. So this page maybe shows because maybe you have violated community guidelines of Instagram. That's why Instagram shows that page on your Instagram and your page or your account not visible to any people on Instagram or your any friends. So you have to fix this problem within 30 days. If you're not going to go for this, after 30 days, your account permanently disabled by Instagram. So for this, you have to go for disagree decision, and after that, you can see page like this, which is I'm not a robot. You have to check it and go for next. Then you have to enter your phone number to get a confirmation code. So you have to enter your phone number here and go for send confirmation. Then Instagram sends a code to your phone number and you have to copy it and paste it to here, enter code box and go for submit. After submitting, you can get your Instagram and you can use it. So that's it. That's the video. Hope this video helped you. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.